Amnesia is a condition in which the person complains of partial or total loss of memory, especially for names, places, faces, and events. This is usually seen in old people or those suffering from severe stress, anxiety, depression, inadequate sleep, poor nutrition, and overwork, or those suffering from psychological illnesses. Temporary loss of memory may also result from an injury to the head. The main cause of amnesia is the impairment of brain cells by diseases that affect them directly or indirectly, due to poor blood supply caused by circulatory diseases such as arteriosclerosis and cerebrovascular accident. Home remedies of amnesia includes these diets. Almond. This nut is very beneficial in treating poor memory and in treatment of loss of memory due to weakness of the brain. It has properties that remove brain debility and strengthen the brain. Soak about 5 to 7 almonds in some water overnight and then remove the skin in the morning. Then make a fine paste of these almonds and mix it with some sandalwood and have it. You can also soak the almonds for about 2 hours and then remove the skin and then grind these almonds. Add these to 1 glass of milk with 1 teaspoonful of honey and have it. This makes a very nutritious drink. Inhaling a few drops of almond oil through the nose is also very useful to improve dull memory due to weakness of brain. Soak 7 almonds in some water overnight and then remove the skin in the morning. Eat these with 1 teaspoonful of honey in the morning on an empty stomach. This is excellent for the brain, nervous system, and for weak memory. Apple. This is a memory-enhancing fruit and is known as the brain food that is useful in treating dull or weak memory. It has certain chemical substances that help control the wear and tear of nerve cells. It is rich in trace mineral, boron, that helps to enhance memory, stimulate the brain, and increases brain activity. Having an apple daily along with 2 teaspoonfuls of honey and 1 cup of milk helps improve the memory. Asafetida, hing. This is a resinous gum that helps regenerate the brain and strengthen the nervous system, thus increasing the memory. It is called the mind tonic and is used in powder form. Dissolve 1½ teaspoonful of this powder in 2 cups of boiling water and cool it. Then have this in sips while working. This will sharpen the memory and increase mental alertness. Black pepper. This spice helps enhance memory. Take a few seeds of pepper and ground it into a fine powder and add 1 tablespoonful of honey to it and take it twice daily. Cabbage. This vegetable helps improve weak memory due to Alzheimer's disease. Cinnamon. Every night, take half a teaspoonful of honey mixed with a pinch or 2 of powdered cinnamon. This improves memory. Clove, long, livang powder. A few cloves, livang, and mustard seeds, rye. Take the mixture with little milk or water once a day before breakfast. This helps increase concentration and enhances memory to prepare for examination. Coriander seeds, dhania. Boil the dehusked seeds, dhania, in 2 glasses of milk and 4 glasses of water till it is reduced to half. Divide this into 2 halves and have 1 portion in the morning and 1 in the evening. This is effective in treating loss of memory, especially in cases where there is a history of cerebrovascular accident. Cumin seeds, Jeera. This spice is known to be the brain food and it enhances memory. Take 3 grams of powdered black cumin seeds mixed with a little honey and lick it every morning for a few weeks. This will improve weak memory, especially in children who are dyslexic and who suffer from attention deficit disorder. Date kajur. Dates make an excellent remedy for failing a weak memory, especially in aged people and postmenopausal women. Consume 4 to 5 dates daily. Indian gooseberry, Amla. This is excellent for poor memory arising from stress and strain of life. Have this in the form such as murabba, pickles, a dried form, or the fresh raw fruit itself. Amla juice is also very effective. Indian pennywort, Brahmi. Brahmi leaves are known to enhance and strengthen the memory. They improve the retentive and receptive capacity of the mind in people who strain their memory a lot, for e.g. people working on computers, software engineers, scientists, etc. Take half a teaspoonful of powdered Brahmi leaves in a glass of milk. This is a good remedy for dull memory and mental weakness. Another method to use Brahmi is to dry the leaves of the herb Brahmi booty in shade and then grind them with some water, 7 kernels of almonds and 1 whole black pepper. Then strain this mixture and add some honey to it. Take this mixture daily in the morning on an empty stomach for 6 months. This will improve memory and increase concentration. Phosphorus-rich fruits. All fruits rich in phosphorus are known to sharpen the memory. Phosphorus-rich fruits such as oranges, grapes, apples, figs, angiat, dates, almonds and walnuts invigorate the brain cells and tissues and are also beneficial in the treatment of loss of memory due to weakness of the brain. Other sources of phosphorus are asparagus, bran, brewer, yeast, corn, dairy products, dried fruits, eggs, fish, garlic, legumes, meat, nuts, pumpkin seeds, salmon, sesame seeds, sunflower seeds and whole grain. Pomegranate, Anna juice mixed with 1 teaspoonful of honey is known to be an age-old remedy for loss of memory. Poppy seeds, couscous. Prepare a decoction of poppy seeds. Have 20 to 25 milliliters of this decoction twice a day. This is beneficial for weak memory. Prune, dried plum. Taking 3 to 4 prunes, dried plums, daily in the morning for a few days helps improve memory, especially in old and debilitated people. Rosemary. Rosemary herb, botanically known as Romarinus officinalis, is a sweet and scented evergreen plant that is regarded as the herb for remembrance. It strengthens the memory and helps in conditions like mental fatigue and forgetfulness. It helps one to think clearly and sharpens the memory. Tea made from this herb is highly beneficial and refreshing for all, especially for students. It makes one mentally agile. Take this tea twice daily. It is also said inhaling the vapors of crushed leaves of rosemary clears and refreshes the mind. Sage leaves. Herbs such as dried sage leaves help in improving memory. Prepare tea from this herb and have it twice a day. Small cardamom, choti ilichi. Add powdered cardamom, ilichi seeds in boiling water during the preparation of tea. This helps improve memory. Walnut. This dry fruit is since long known to be highly beneficial in failing memory due to weakness of the brain. If taken with figs and raisins, its value increases. If consumed by itself, then take about 15 to 20 pieces daily. This will increase the secretion of vital neuroenzymes and strengthen the memory. Zinc, iron and boron. Deficiencies of zinc, iron and boron can be responsible to some extent for lack of concentration, so follow a diet that is rich in these minerals. Increase the intake of carrots, cow's milk, egg yolk, nuts, pulses, radish, soybean oil, sunflower oil and whole grain cereals. Get enough sleep. A good sleep of about 7 to 8 hours improves memory. People who work late till night or in night shifts tend to face a lot of memory problems right at the beginning of middle age. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.